Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Rahmati Arju. You can call me Tia. I'm class A, Studi Program Education Chemistry. My name is 4414200011. And title Synthetic of Mangan 6 and Mangan 3. Compounds, objectives. Student can synthesize compounds of Mangan 6 and Mangan 3. Literature review. Manganese is a natural occurring element that is found in both soil and water. It is occurs in the environment and comprises about 0.1%. Compression about 0.1%. The air crust crystal is a major source of manganese found in the atmosphere. Manganese rarely exists in its part element states, but instead combines with other elements in nearly 300 in different minerals. Mangan is the first number of group 7 and periodic 4 of the periodic table. Mangan has the atomic number 210.5 and atomic mass of 554.938 grams per mole. A melting point of 1204 derajat Celcius. A boiling point 2006 derajat Celcius. And Amos hardness of 6 mangan has a density of 7.10 to 10 and then gram centimeter 3 and belongs to heavy metal. Mangan is a pin-derived chemistry active element. It is elemental powder. It will burn in oxygen. It reacting with water and dissolve, and the lead acid mangan is 4 and 12 times mass bird element in the bisper. Its content in air crust pressure. As heat 0.098%, it is wet distributed is oil, water, sediment, and biological material. Method experiment tools. And tools name 1 rock drop, 2 test tubes, 3 reactor test tubes, 4 beaker, 5 measuring tube, 6 analytic blank, 7 watch glass, 8 stirrer, 9 spatula, 10 funnel, and 11 aluminum flask. And then experiment material and 1 Aquades, kategori general, 2 H2SO4, kategori spesifik, 3 KMNO4 kategori spesifik, MnO3 spesifik, NaOH spesifik, and MnSO4 spesifik. Experimental scheme synthetic of mangan 6. Start 1. Reacting 10 ml 0.01 ml KMNO4 with 5 ml of H2SO4 1 molaritas. 2. Add a bite of MnO2 is the burn. 3. Do the filtering. Black receive and filtering is purple. And then finish. And 2. Synthetic of mangan 6. It base. Start 1. Reacting 10 ml 0.01 KMNO4 with 5 ml NaOH 2 molaritas. Add a bit of MnO2 is the breathing. 3. Do the filtering. Yellow residue and filtering is dark green. Then finish. Synthetic of mangan 3. Start 1. Weighing 0.5 grams of MnSO4. 2. Reacting with 2 ml of 1 molaritas H2SO4. 3. Dispense 10 drops of concentrated H2SO4. 4. Seal in cold water. 5. Add 5 drops of KMNO4. 0.1 molaritas. 6. Mixing in Aquades 50 ml. 7. Observe the change the occur. Resultant change color to brown. And then finish. This is residual treatment and then observation. This is picture. And then synthetic of mangan 3. Result, treatment, and observation. This is picture. Discussion. Mangan is metal which is less concentration than chromium. As the oxide does not provide, this element can be made of NO2. The concept mangan ions are stable. It alkaline MnO2 was added KOH and oxygen with O2 or KNO3, which produce mangan MnO4 plus 2. Configuration mangan electron is R3d5 and 4s2 by using electron 4s and then to 5 and bright manganese compound in oxidation reduction reactor. Potassium permanganate KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent that is important for chemical analysis assessed in the acid solution where in the compound is reduced to MnO2 plus. Manganese 6 simple known as ions mangan MnO for 2 minutes release rate. It forms on MnO2 oxidation in KOH more than KNO3 or air current mangan always type in very alkaline solution. The exit natural or slight alkaline is essay this for nature. Ion mangan 3 oxide obtained by electron or perspecial oxidation of Mn2 plus or by reduction MnO4. Their substance can be obtained in high contrast because it is reduced by water. This reactor 2 Mn3 plus 2H2O and then reactor. This is picture. The residuum brown crystal of acid obtained through oxidation of Mn2 plus alkali solution with O2 or Cl2 in the presence of acetone. In this experiment to do the synthesis of mangan compounds 6 and manganese 3. Synthesis of mangan compounds 6. The synthesis of compounds manganese 6 in 4 reactor KMnO4 solution 10 ml each with H2SO4 solution 1 ml and NaH2 2 ml 5 ml. Then add a bit of MnO2, then sulfate and filter the result obtained from the residue to which reacted with NaC. That is sulfuric acid does not appear to change color at the time of screening, when the color of the solvent is still purple. Well, in this tube, the alkaline solution at the time of the screening process look filter and produce a green. This is marking the mangan compound 6 can only be done in alkaline condition. By using the electropotential, it can be determined whatever manganese compound 6 can be first by reacting manganese 7 and manganese 4 in the acid solution. The reactor, this is my picture. Picture 1, KMnO4. Solution 2 KMnO and H2SO4 and 3 filter process and filter. In the manufacture of manganese compounds 6 in an alkaline solution producing the same color with the color before mixing is dark purple. By using the alkaline potential, it can be determined whatever manganese compound 6 can be prepared by reacting manganese 7 and manganese 4 in alkaline solution. This is my reactor, this is my picture. Picture 4 KMnO4 solution, 5 KMnO4 NaOH, and 6 filter process and filter. Reactor to produce manganese compound 6 is allowed in alkaline solution. This is because the purity of the electroda potential in alkaline solution is smaller than in acid solution. The smaller the electroda potential price, the greater the reactor might take place. By increasing the concentration of H plus or MnO4 minute, and will not increase the likelihood the maneuver of manganese compound 6 because the manganese compound 6 can be in the solution less acidic. By increasing the concentration of OH minus or MnO4 minus and will increasing the likelihood in the maneuver of manganese compound 6 because the manganese compound 6 can be made in alkaline solution. Synthesis of compound manganese 3. In the proportion of compound of manganese 3 was the 4 minus MnO4 as much as 0.5 grams solid were then treated with H2SO4 1 ml, 2 ml, then added about 10 drops. Consider H2SO4 with silver to create and 3 in a positive alkaline, then add 5 drops KMnO4. But in 10 ml of distilled water, the result of this experiment or color solution which is can be indifferent. That end solution is of mangan 3. This is my reactor. Then and look, this is picture. By asking the electropotential, it can be determined whatever the compound of mangan 3 can be prepared by reacting manganese 2 and manganese 4. In alkaline solution, this is reactor. This is, look, the picture. Picture 2, MnSO4 solid, 8 after area H2SO4, 9 after area KMnO4, and 10 result solution. The reactor to form compounds of mangan 3 is more likely in acid solution. This is because the price of the electropotential in acid solution is more than in an alkaline solution. The smaller the electroda potential part, the greater the reactor might take place by scattering the concentration of H plus or Ma2 plus. When scattering the likelihood of the preparation of compounds of mangan 3 4 compounds of manganese 3 can be prepared in NaCl solution. This is be seen from the result of the experiment. By inspiring the concentration of OH- will not discarding likelihood of the presence of compounds of manganese 3. For compounds of manganese 3 cannot be marked in an alkaline solution. Conclusion from the result of the lab, it can be coded for making manganese 6 marked by a change in the color of the solution from purple to gray. It shows a positive reaction from the front of manganese 6. The experiment of making manganese 3 marked by the presence of clear color change to pink. So positive reaction from the formants of manganese 3. The two formants reaction that occur in a state of alkaline solution. Experiment of making manganese 6 and manganese 3 and compounds it is known that the solution is stable in the masquerade of manganese 6 compounds and the solution is unstable in the manufacture of manganese 3 compounds. That's all and material manganese 3 and manganese 6. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.